Hi everyone, this is my first video and I'm gonna share my activity in this channel. In the first video that I make it is I'm gonna share my experience like a challenge 30 days. I'm gonna lose my weight and you can see my current body right now, and it's gonna be 10 exercise, no cardio and also no jump. Okay my friend, let's check it out. The first thing, I'm gonna measure my weight. You see that? It's 158 pounds right now. And because of that, I'm gonna do full body exercise. And when you're ready, let's go. And the first exercise is side reach to warm up. And it's good for your body. We do 45 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Three, two, one. And the second exercise is squat with knee elbow touch. They break, but we got enough. The only direction that I'll ever need is a deeper connection that's leading me. And I'm lost in your love when you hold me. Just hold me, 'cause I don't wanna run from your heartbeat. Your heartbeat, no, 'cause I'm lost in your love. I can't break the fall, you're taking it all. I'm lost in your love. 3, 2, 1. And the next, take a big step back with one leg bending to the front. I'm lost in your love. I'm lost in your love. Lost in your love. I'm lost in your
Separated through the miles, searching for the answer to our trials. We came so far.
3, 2, 1. And the next exercise is like a knee and your hand rise the dog.
Won't marry us. One day we can be together, and this moment could last forever. I say that you and I have found a piece of heaven.
And after 20, you can chance on the other side.
We can be together one day.
Three, two, one. And the next exercise is like you squeeze your abdomen. You can do like this as much as you can. And the next is knee and crunch. Three, two, one. And the next is like you want to hug someone and crunch. Three, two, one. And the next is like when you're gonna start to running competition. I'm sorry for the sensor because I don't want anybody see my underwear. Three, two, one. And the next is knee push up and child pose. And this season I still show my underwear, but not too much. It's okay, I think. Once again, it's already. And the last one is like a plank with the leg lift.
You are my weakness. I tried to let you go. I blocked your number. It's hard to tell you no.
Three, two, one. Finally, we already finished all the season. It was 10 exercise and you're doing good job. See you in the next video and bye bye.